Imagine waking up to essential products you cannot find at any price. This is not dystopia. 5 critical global supply chains face collapse in 2026. First, neon gas and semiconductor feedstocks are at immediate risk of total failure. Neon and specialty gases power laser etching. A shortage stops chip fabs fast. Geopolitical concentration and single-source suppliers in Eastern Europe and East Asia create fragility. If feedstock stops, fabs idle within weeks and global electronics output plunges. Second, global maritime shipping faces systemic congestion and a severe container shortage. Port backups, rerouted sailings, and strained logistics make trade lanes unpredictable. Empty container yards and clogged terminals extend transit times by weeks. Manufacturers miss assembly schedules. Retailers see chronic out-of-stock items and delays. We are weeks away from gridlock in key ports, industry analysts warn. Adopt flexible routing, staggered orders, and local buffer stocks to mitigate shocks. Third, energy supply shocks from LNG and refined fuels threaten industrial continuity. Flickering city lights are a warning when fuel logistics and pipelines face disruption. Sanctions, maintenance spikes, and low investment create volatile and intermittent supply windows. Power instability forces rationing and production slowdowns across energy-dependent industries. Energy instability translates directly into manufacturing downtime and higher transportation costs. Companies should model fuel dependencies and implement redundant or alternative energy plans. Fourth, fertilizer and crop chemical shortages pose real risks to food supply chains. Gas-fed fertilizer plants are sensitive to price spikes and export controls. Reduced fertilizer exports will lower yields and drive localized shortages and price spikes. Import-dependent countries and smallholders will be hit hardest and fastest. A bad season plus disrupted inputs equals acute food insecurity in vulnerable regions. Diversify suppliers, build strategic reserves, and support local production where possible. Fifth, electronics components and rare earth supplies remain concentrated and geopolitically exposed. Substrates, capacitors, magnets, and precision parts originate from few specialized facilities. A single factory outage can cascade across industries within days. Medical devices, auto manufacturers, and consumer electronics rely on those fragile links. Inventory buffers are low. Manufacturers lack resilience to prolonged multi-site disruptions. Act now. Audit dependencies, boost short-term inventory, and lock diversified supplier agreements immediately.